What's up guys, welcome to Real Gains. In this video, I'm going to take you through a shoulder workout which can be done at home without any equipments and using only your body weight. There are two types of workout in this video. One is a beginner workout and another is an advanced workout. Watch this video till the end to know how many repetitions and sets to do for each exercise and how to customize this workout for you. Without any delay, let's get started. Pike push-ups. In a push-up position, bring your legs close to your hands until your hip joint forms 90 degree. Now perform push-up along the same plane. This will put the emphasis completely on the shoulder muscles. When you push up, don't try to push yourself straight up in a vertical plane. Instead, push yourself backward in an inclined plane. Shoulder tap. Start in a high plank position with your shoulder in line with your wrist. Now with control, while keeping your hips and shoulders level, lift one palm to touch the top of your opposite arm. Do not wobble your body. Plank front raise. Start in a high plank position with your shoulder in line with your wrist. Now lift one palm to the top of your head until it is parallel to the floor. Pause for 1 second before returning to start. To make sure your body is stable, engage your core. Pulse row. Lay on your stomach, put hands by your side and slightly away from your body. Raise your shoulders up and back as far as you can. Do not lift your body, only raise your hands. Prayer pushes. Stand with good posture. Bring your palms together, palm to palm at your chest. Press the palms against each other to create tension in your shoulder muscles. Now lift your prayer hands above your head and stop just before your elbows are completely extended. Return and repeat peacefully. Wall handstand hold. Walk your feet up the wall as you walk your hands back toward the wall until you are as close to the wall as possible. As you hold, engage your abs and glutes to stabilize your body. Also focus on gripping the ground with your hands as you hold. Hold this position as long as you can. Come down by walking your hands and legs simultaneously. Elevated pike push-ups. Use a stool or wall to support your legs at an elevated position. Now perform pike push-ups. Since the gravitational pull is more in this position, this exercise will be more challenging than the regular pike push-ups. Lateral body turn. Get into a low plank position. Now turn your body laterally while lifting the hand on the same side, maintaining the elbow position for plank. The focus is on the lateral head of the shoulder on the floor. When you turn, squeeze the lateral head of the shoulder on the floor. Repeat the same with other arm. Rear delt body raise. Lay down on your back, form a fist and stretch your arms to the sides. Your palm should be facing upward and placed slightly lower than the shoulder level. Now lift your shoulders up by twisting your fist forward and press down against the floor. Make sure to maintain the tension at the rear head of the shoulder. Plank pushes. Get into a plank position and perform push-ups. This push-up will use the shoulder muscles and some portion of the trap muscles to perform the exercise. This is a good finisher for a shoulder workout using your body weight. I hope you find the exercises helpful. Let me give you a quick tip. If you find any of the exercises in beginner category to be very easy, you can choose the alternative from the advanced category. And likewise, if you find any of the advanced exercises to be difficult, you can choose the equivalent alternative from the beginner category. And before starting any workout, make sure you warm up your shoulder muscles by rotation and mobility exercises. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and also share it with people to whom it will be helpful. If you wish to support me, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button to get notified whenever a video is posted. Make sure to check out my other workout videos to stay fit at home and also to lead a healthy life. Thanks a lot for watching the video.